Today's video is going to be a real quick video and it's going to be a tips and trick. Today I wanted to share with you Mercedes, and it's a 7-year-old battery and it's kind of dying. As you seen, I just drove. Now I'm going to start it. It won't start. So I won't crank because the batteries need to be replaced. So the best thing, get a new battery and replace it. In case if you're not replacing a battery, I wanted to share with you this good product. It's a jump start. This jump start is very convenient and easy to carry. You can keep it in your glove box. Best of all, you can give this gift to your ladies. This is the best gift. Anytime they're having issues, you don't have to rely on someone and they have to come over and give you a jump. You can do the jump start yourself. I'm going to pop open the hood. Very small, you can hold it in your hand, and it comes with jumper cable and USB cable, user manual. So please read through, plug it in, other side plug into the adapter, and then you charge it. It has a built-in flashlight. Press this button. It's very bright, very handy. Negative terminal, and this is the positive terminal. So after plugging it, as you can see, the blue light appear, the red light appear. So we're going to turn it on. The jump start is fully charged. I'm going to go inside the car and I will start it. And now turn it off from here. Take negative and positive and just unplug it. Best thing I like about this jump start, let me show you. I'm in my backyard. Best part I wanted to share with you. If you have a lawnmower, then it's very handy. I have my lawnmower, the battery gone dead for many months now. I use once a month. Why spend $50-$60? One thing I've noticed that anytime I stop, the battery goes dead right away. This product is the best solution if you have a lawnmower. Let me share with you. It's a one-person job and this is so handy. So these are tips and tricks I wanted to share with you, my viewers out there. You can take advantage of it. I'm going to close it and I will show it to you. Like I said, it's a one-man operation. You open it, positive, and we're going to put the negative. If I start it, so the battery is totally gone dead and it's for many months. So this is the best alternate. It takes 1 second. You just plug in and then you just turn it on and you can start it. You've seen it. To use this jump start, I'll list the part number under my description in case if you want to get one. This is the best alternate for me and it's working great. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget, as I mentioned, this is the best gift you can give it to your lady. So bye for now. Thank you.